Suppose 10 horses are there. How many horses are going to win? 10 horses are there. How many horses is going to win? Only one horse. Only one horse. So the probability is 1 by 10, man. The probability is 1 by 10. So the chance, the chance to win is 1, but the chance to lose is 9. Remember, if 4 members play cards, 4 people or 5 people or 6 people are playing, how many people are going to win? Only one person. Only one person. So I don't know. I never touched that play card also. Okay. So the people are going to use show. Correct, right? Somewhere I saw show. Show means that person won, it seems. Correct, right?
Yes.
Yeah, show. Okay, like that. So out of 4 or 5, suppose 5 members are playing, the chance of winning is only 1%. The chance of losing is 4%. 4. The same casino. I never entered, I never saw in my life up to today that casino. How it will be? Anyone, can you please tell? Anyone played, right? Yes, compulsory, I hope. At least, just for fun sake, at least you played in your life. Anyone? Casino. You went to the casinos and there some gambling, betting kind of things are there, right? Anyone? Naveen, have you ever
Yes, sir.
went to the
There
casino?
will be various like blackjack, roulette. So those we need to put money.
Okay.
And initially we'll get some money, but if you continue playing, we'll lose that money. So
Compulsory.
better to come out. If
Come
you get
out.
something, better to get out. But we'll
Yes,
continue.
automatically.
Yeah. We'll lose everything and come out.
Yes. So just one of my, my partner in the real estate or my friend, she went to the US just in the last one, 15 days, 10 days, 15 days back. She came and we met some meeting. She's telling, my daughter asked me, my daughter gave $400 just for fun play, like beginning I got the money, but after sometime the total money by default gone. Like she told just very recently, just 4 days, 5 days before, not 4 days, on the second afternoon we had lunch meeting. In that lunch meeting, she told, so I lost my $400, like so betting, gambling, okay, races, these kind of things. No one will become rich man. Okay, so if you are having any such type of thing in your mind, better to remove permanently, because mathematics, science wise, mathematics wise also, the chance of winning is very, very less when compared with the chance of losing. There is a possibility for 10% is the possibility, 10% is the possibility. Okay, 90% by default will be gone. Okay, so in these places, the lucky goddess won't stay. Okay, where there is a value, where there is a worth creation, there only lucky goddess will be there, or there only goddess Lakshmi is there. Remember that here in these places, so you never going to become rich.